And welcome to Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. This is a channel where we talk about food, good nutrition, and health. Thank you for your support, for subscribing to this channel, liking my videos, watching, commenting. I am so grateful. So if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel by hitting that subscribe button, the red button. So today I want us to sweeten oatmeal porridge, and to do so, you're going to sweeten it with the ripe banana, one ripe banana and one boiled egg. Oats are among the healthiest grains, and some of the health benefits of the oatmeal is oats are gluten-free, meaning that they are suitable for celiac disease that is most commonly in children and also sometimes in adults. So if you are looking for a gluten-free grains, oats is one of them. And also they are rich in carbohydrates and soluble fiber, and to be specific, they are rich in B-glucan. That is the soluble fiber that is present in oats. And some health benefits of the beta-glucan is they reduce the LDL and total cholesterol. By LDL, I mean the low-density lipoprotein, or the bad cholesterol that can clog the arteries, predisposing someone to a range of cardiovascular diseases. So the oats, they help to reduce the LDL and the total cholesterol levels. And also they help to reduce the blood sugar and insulin response. And this is because of the high fiber that is present in oats. And also they have a higher satiety value, or they have that increased feeling of fullness. So if you are that one person that maybe you like having one meal in a day, oats, you can do oats in the morning. And also, being that they have a higher satiety value or that increased feeling of fullness, this can be a good choice if you are on a weight loss program. And also they help to increase the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. And that is some of the health benefits of B-glucan, of the soluble fiber present in oats. Also, oats, they are high in protein and healthy fats. Apart from being high in carbohydrates, they are also high in protein and healthy fats. And also they are rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols, they are great antioxidants that help to scavenge the free radicals in our body. So oats is a great deal. You can always have it for breakfast or even as a snack. And also oats, they are good because you can feed them to your child, not only for the adults but also the children. Your child can enjoy oats for breakfast. So let's blend our banana and egg. I'm going to skin it, just remove the shell. And one of the importance of the egg, they are rich in proteins. They are rich in, they contain all the proteins. They are complete in proteins, meaning they have all the amino acids that your body requires for bodybuilding. That's our egg. Just peel my banana. My hands are clean. Yeah, you can take your oats like that by boiling and maybe adding some small amount of milk. But we always have that blunt taste. So if you are a sweet tooth like me, you can always add a banana or any other sweet fruit just to sweeten them. Just add a little water, amount of water. These are my oats. Just boiled and added little amount of milk, skimmed milk. done. But we can blend it again. We can mix it with our oatmeal porridge. Like for this one, I'm not preparing it for myself, for my baby. Yeah, you can always add a fruit. You can even do berries, grapes, any fruit, any natural fruit that is sweet. You can always add. And this is the oatmeal porridge for my baby. That's one way of sweetening your oatmeal. There are so many ways, and this is one of it. You can always sweeten it if you don't like that bland taste of oatmeal. That's all for now. I hope you've learned something. Give this video a like, comment. You can share, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Nutrition Therapy by Lucy. Thank you.